If you need templates and statistical tools for your Lean and Lean Six Sigma projects, you're in the right place. Look no further for your Lean and Lean Six Sigma resources. Documenting your projects? That's where the ever-growing library of free Lean and Lean Six Sigma templates comes in. Download your free templates with worked examples in either Excel, Numbers, or Google Sheets. Every template has our DMAIC templates PDF pack available to read or download, with over 75 template descriptions, blank templates, and worked examples. You'll also benefit from our calculator section, which hosts web-based statistical tools that you can simulate results as many times as you need with no sign-up needed. Plug your numbers in or use the examples given, hit Calculate, and see your output. Try out our simulation lab, which will simulate a scenario and help you visualize the results in every calculator. SimplicityHub has the CI with AI chatbot that is available 24/7 for any queries, so you're always supported. Trusted by thousands of continuous improvement professionals.